Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this Selenium with Python series. In last video, I have covered how to locate the web element using the locators like ID, name and class name. So today I will cover other locators like link text, partial link text and tag name. So basically, the this link text, this locator in Selenium, it is used to identify the hyperlinks on a web page. Means, see here, these are the hyperlinks like testing, Selenium, live project, Java, and these two click here links. So these are the hyperlinks. So basically, these hyperlinks, these are created by using anchor tag. So if I inspect this testing link, then its a tag is anchor tag, and within this anchor tag we are giving the name of that link, testing here. So we'll check other link as well. So for Selenium again, its a tag name is a, and its a text is link text. So this link text, partial link text and link text. So basically these locators, these are identifying the links on the web page by using the text given to that to particular link. Means, consider here, I will inspect this click here, the link. Then it's a as usual, it's a tag is anchor tag a, and it's a text is click here. Now other one more click here link is there. Then and its name is also click here and anchor tag. But the difference is here. See here, first link, for first link, in anchor tag, it is containing one attribute href and its address is www.google.com. Means on clicking to that link, it will opening google.com page. While second link, for second link, its address is www.efb.com. Means it will, on clicking this second link, it will open Facebook page. Okay, so this is the difference. Now as a tester, if we want to click on these links, then we can use link text or partial link text. Link text, now this locator, then we have to pass this exact name, this click here exact name we have to pass. And if I want to use partial link text, then we can give the partial name of this link text. Means we can give either click or we can give the here. Means partial name we can give. So let's we'll do this by program. From Selenium, I have imported WebDriver, and I want to launch Chrome driver. So that's why driver is equals to WebDriver.chrome. Now driver.get, and I have to pass here. By using get method, we can open the page, and here I have to pass the address of the page. So this is the address. Now I want to click on this click here link, first click here link. So if I click on this link, then google.com, that page is opening. I will define link as a web element, and by using link text on selenium dot webdriver dot common dot by import by, and by dot link text. I have to pass the value, click here. Now I have used this link as a web element, and by using link text, and I have passed this text value, click here, this click here text value I am passing. So you have to give the exact name. From here, from DOM also you can give this exact same name. If there is a space, then it is better to take it from DOM. And I will click on this link dot click. By the click method I will click, and I will print title. Let's execute this. So site is open, and it is click on first link, and title is printed here Google. So by using click here, this link text, we can identify the web element. Now we'll see by using partial link text. So I will click, so I will give here, instead of link text, partial link text, and here I will pass only here, and we'll check. So same here, it is launching browser, and it will click on link, and printing title. So by using link text or partial link text, we can find the web elements or we can find the hyperlinks on the page. So basically this link text and partial link text, it is used for identifying the hyperlinks. Now next we'll see the getter, that is tag name. So for the tag name, let's see this application. Okay, and I want to click on this add element button. I will inspect that element now. So this is a button. So button is a tag name. So another locators we will is a using tag name, means here tag, it's a tag name is button. So by using this button tag also we can do this. I will use same code and here I will change the URL, change here locator as a tag name, and tag name is button, B small button. Now here button and button. So let's execute and check this. So it is opening the application and clicking on the button, the internet. Its speed is fast, so we'll use from time. I will delay after clicking on this button. I will give delay so that we can see it is clicking on the button or not. So we will use this from time. This package we will use this sleep, means it will sleep for few seconds. So sleep, and here I will use 3 seconds. Now let's execute and check. Yes, it was clicking and then it here delete button is included, means here after clicking on add button, delete button is added. So we have checked this. So like this way we can identify the web elements, means if the hyperlinks are there, then we can use link text or partial link text, and also by using tag name also we can do identify the web element. So that's all from today's video. If you like this video, then please click on like button and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.